Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be doing some Jamaican oxtail. Now, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now we're going to start off with our oxtail meat that's been washed and dried. Add our spices, garlic and onion powder, salt and pepper, all-purpose seasoning to the most Jamaican seasoning. Of course, I like to add some jerk seasoning to mine as well. Minced garlic, minced ginger, Scotch bonnet pepper. Now mix that all in. Add some browning as well. Now just mix that all in well. Marinate for at least 2 hours or even longer. You can go overnight. Now I'm using a pressure pot. You can use a regular pot if you like. Get that hot. I use my coconut oil. You can use whatever oil you prefer. And we're gonna put them in just single layers to make sure you get a nice sear on each side. Don't overcrowd your pot or else it won't get too hot. Now you can do that in 2 batches. So once this one is well browned, just remove it, add the other pieces to it, and repeat the same process. Get them real brown. Now once you do that, just add the ones that you took out before. Now the bowl that the season was in, just pour some water in it, rinse it out, and pour it over your meat. Just enough to cover the meat. Cover the pot. It's an electric pressure cooker. Just cover it, let it run for 30 minutes. Now press the valve and release the steam. Once you release the steam, check your meat, check for the tenderness of it. Once you can pull it from the bone with a fork, then you should be ready to go. Now skim most of the oil off as much as you can. Bring it to a boil. Add the vegetables, the carrot, the onion, bell pepper, the scallion, thyme. You can add potato if you want as well. Now mix that in. Put some bay leaf in there, so it's optional. Mix that in. Cover. You don't have to pressure it again at this point. Just cover it. Get the veggies all tender. Add your ketchup to it. Adjust your season as well. Ketchup helps to give it that rich, make the gravy rich and give it a nice consistency. Once your veggies are tender, add your butter bean. Let that bring it to a simmer again or to a boil. Cook it for a little bit to get that nice rich consistency that you're looking for. Then go ahead and start plating. You have your nice, good looking oxtail. Eat that with rice or rice and peas, or if you want to eat it with your ground provision. There you go, guys. Jamaican oxtail. Share, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.